Okay, hello guys and gals. Here we have a review of the Insta360 Link 2C. It's an AI-powered 4K webcam. So here's what you get with the unboxing. Here is the actual connector that places on top of your laptop or computer screen. Here is the actual camera. Now this goes on the screen holder by a magnet. You can see this piece right here is a pretty strong magnet right there, and I'll get into that a little bit. First, let me look at the camera. So here's the front of the camera. It's pretty small. You can see the size of my finger there. It looks about 2 inches wide by maybe an inch in thickness here. So this is that's the camera. This little white thing is the light right there, and then this circle is actually a button that you can press while you're using it. Now on this side, this is actual physical shutter. You see when I push it down, the physical shutter actually goes down and goes back up, right, for privacy. And then on top, this is actually a microphone right over there. On the back, you can see that that's the connector for the USB. The cable goes in there, and then this is a USB-C. USB-A goes into the computer. And I think that's it for the actual camera. Now here's the connector. So notice on the bottom of the connector, this actually goes into like a tripod post right there, a screw post. And then this goes up and down so that this will hook onto the top of your laptop right in here. And then this thing, once that's stable, then this thing actually goes up and down, and this actually angles your camera up and down. And I'll show you how that works in just a moment. Okay, now I'll show you how this actually goes onto your computer monitor or your laptop screen. So you take the little attachment piece, it'll be folded like this, and the little hook part is going to go on the top, and so you just separate them just like that, and it's got a firm movement so it doesn't feel like it's going to actually slip on its own. And then you put your finger underneath that and you pop that section up like that, and that's basically the position. And then you just hook this over your computer monitor or your laptop screen, and that's basically how it sits. And keep in mind, again, this thing can move up or down as you see fit. Now I've already connected the cable into the back like that, and then it just sits on the top there just like that. And then you can, if you feel like you want to move it back down a little bit or move this section back up, you can, whatever feels most stable, but I think it'll sit good there as long as you have about between a 45 and 90 degree angle. And then I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like. So there's basically what it looks like when it's on your computer screen.